Right then, we are back again with another competition. This time we are giving away this Gen 1 Audi TT. It's packed full of modifications, all done at our workshop. It's got the desirable 1.8 turbo engine in there, custom remap, built to a club sport spec. We've got the bucket seats, the harnesses, the cage, it's got coilovers, wheels, tyres, you name it, it's ready to go on the road or on the track. Full spec list will be in the description along with a link to the competition. Get entering and good luck.